Hi, this is Marnie with Team Marnie Luxury Real Estate. I am so excited to present to you today's home of the day. We are hosting an open house this Sunday to bring our house to market in Arcadia Lite. Wonderful family community, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, featured at $850,000. We are going to have a petting zoo, face painting, a balloon artist, snow cones, hot dogs, anything that you want is there. Please join us 1 to 3 this Sunday at 3208 East Hazelwood in Arcadia Lite.